This is the latest thing I've designed and built. It's from a Jonny Quest show in 1964 or 1965, an episode called Pirates from Below. The vehicle is called the Prober. It was designed to run underwater. The one in the show, this one's not. Designed to run underwater on these tank tread type things. Doesn't sound very practical to me, but that's what the show was. So I'm going to demonstrate it now. First off, it's controlled by a Cocan RC controller, 3 AA batteries for the power source, and 2 blue TT motors. I want to turn it on. It's a 2.4 gigahertz controller, so you have to sync them up. Switch was on the bottom there. It's synced up. And we'll just drive it around for a second. Makes a lot of racket on this table. If you drive it over something soft like paper towel, smooths right out. I think it can climb over some things. I haven't really tried it too much, but didn't like going backward over it. I didn't do a very good job of this part right here is painted. I didn't do a very good job of painting it. Got some overspray and I had to clean it up with like a silver Sharpie. If you want to build it, you can do a much better job at painting it. These parts right here, I printed on the A1 mini with the AMS in multicolor, so they've come out black and green like that. Same way with this door, windshield, the little portholes. They're just printed in a single color. It's got little arms on it here. In the show, you'll see what they're for if you get to watch it. I found it somewhere online. It's also available on DVD, I believe somebody mentioned. There's little lights up here and side lights. There's like a rudder back here. Like I say, I'm not a very good painter at all. Spin it around and let you look at it. Here's the bottom side, power switch. You can see, try to get some more light on parts of it. You can see this wheel here and this wheel here are drive wheels. The middle one is just like an idler. It doesn't have teeth in it. The ones on the end, this one and this one, are not drive wheels, but they do have teeth. They're just driven. They just follow the tracks, or rotate with the tracks. Tracks were printed in place. That's a simplified design I've got from, I've used print in place tracks in the past, but I simplified it to make it easier to, well, it was easier to design. You can see the gears. Here's what TT motors are hooked up to these large gears in here. Sorry about the light. Well, that's the demo. I'll put out another little bit longer video showing the details inside. wouldn't really call it a build video. There's not much to building it really. It's just running some screws in and soldering up the motor mainly. Well, thanks for watching.